Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to draw a tangent between these two circles on the upper side here. So what I'm going to display is exactly how we're going to do this and the correct method of doing this. So we have our two center points. Okay, and if we were drawing a tangent to a point, the method for the first couple of steps is very, very similar. Okay, so step number one, we're going to actually connect our 2 points. We're going to connect up our two center points. Okay, so we've connected up the two center points. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to find the center of this line, or the line between the two center points. So using our compass, we place the point of our compass here on the center point of the first circle, and we extend the compass out to more than halfway. We draw an arc on either side, like so. Switch to the other circle, center point. Draw our set arc from each side also. Now, just need to extend this one a little bit further. Now, where these two arcs kind of collide or hit each other, what we're going to do is we're going to take those 2 points, connect the two of them together, and that will give us the center point of the circle here. Now, just like in previous videos where we found the tangent to a circle from a center point, or from a point, we're going to draw in our little semi circle here. Okay, so place the point of the compass on the center point of that line. Okay, extend it out to the one of the center points. They should be both the exact same. Bear in mind now that this line is halfway, and you're just going to use your semicircle and just rotate the compass to draw your semicircle. Now, so if we were drawing it to a point, we'd have this complete now, but there's another step or two to go. So what we do is we take our compass again, we set it to the radius of the smaller circle. Okay, there you go there, radius of the smaller circle. We come in here, and what we're going to do is we're actually just going to place the compass on the circumference of the bigger circle. Okay, we notice how we have a radius here. Okay, and we're going to just mark that off. So that's the distance or the radius of the smaller circle there. So when we do that, we're going to be able to take our compass here, okay, and we want to draw a circle. Okay, so this is like the difference between the two circles, and we want to draw this into a circle. So now we're going to set that down there, and we'll draw a little circle like so. Now we've got this point here, which is the point which this small circle and the large semicircle collide. What we do is we connect that with the center point of the circle, right? The big circle, and we follow it on until it hits. Okay, until it hits here, which is the circumference of the bigger circle. Okay. Now, using sliding set squares, what we do is we take our angle here, okay, we slide that angle over to the smaller circle, and we draw it in like so. Okay, so these two lines here, they're parallel, Okay, they're parallel. They are what's called a normal, and I'm going to explain that now in 1 second. So where they hit, the 2 points we got is where they hit the circumference, right? We're going to connect that up, and that is going to be our tangent. Okay, that's our tangent there. What is a normal? Okay, so a normal is that of 90 degrees. 90 degrees to a tangent. And we'll see there that that angle there is exactly 90 degrees. Okay, so let's just recap on that quickly. What have we done? We've connected the two to the center of both circles up. We found the center, drawn our semicircle. We've subtracted the smaller circle's radii from the bigger circle. We've drawn in our little circle, which is the difference. Remember that as being the difference between the two circles, okay? And then where those 2 points, that and the semisphere hit, that is our angle there, like so. And then we bring that angle over using sliding set squares, connect the both up to circumference. That's our 2 points, drawing our tangent. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.